Okay, so in this video, we're going to learn about the print function. So let's go to the Replit website, replit.com, and then on the top right, you click login and then continue with Google. Now I already logged in with my Gmail account a while ago, so Replit already signed me in. Now once you are logged in, make sure you can see your name there. And then you have this button and then this folder here. So to get started, you click this button, create Replit, or the plus sign here. It's the same, so let me click it here. And then since we are going to use the Python programming language, please choose Python. If it's not in here, just scroll down. You should be able to see this. So Python, and then over here we'll type print examples. It can be any name, but because this project is about the print function and we're going to show different examples, then I think it's best to name it with this print examples. After that, you can click this button, create replit. Okay, so once everything is loaded, it will be look like this. Once again, make sure that you have the project file here, project name, and then you have the main.py this side and on that side, and then you have the console screen. The code editor, this is where we type the codes, the commands, functions in Python, and this is where we can see the output. The run button is here. So we type the command here, we click run, and we should be able to see the output here. If there's some error, it will be displayed here as well. So let's try with the print function. So this is how we should write the print function. Okay. The print function is used to display something on the screen, something in the console. And it should be written this way: small p, rint, and then open parenthesis, close parenthesis. In programming, whenever you use a function, or we should follow how it should be written. We cannot just make our own way on how to do it. For example, maybe you are tempted to make letter P capital. Won't work. There will be an error when you do that. We should follow how the command is written. Once again, print is used to display something on screen or in the console. And in programming, we have different types of data. For now, I want you to think of the string or the text, letters. In programming, any string is usually inside the code like this, single quote, or double quote like this, a pair of double quotes, a pair of single quotes. Whatever is inside the quote, that's the string that will be displayed in the console. So if I will type here, let's say hello, then I click run, that hello, the text capital HELLO will be displayed here in the console. Anything inside the double quote. Now it can also be single quote like this. Then maybe you will type world, click run. That will work as well. But I think for now it's best for you to use double quote. How do you do double quote on your keyboard? You will use the shift key for that. And the double quote is beside the enter key. So you press shift and then press double quote, release both at the same time. Then, yes, once again, we write anything we want here. So, for example, you have this, and even the space, even if you put space, maybe two, that space will be displayed um, for as long as it's inside the double quote. Okay. For example, if even if you type something like this, say 5 plus 2, right? In math, if we will do this, it means 7. But over here, it won't be displayed as 7 because the 5 plus and 2 is inside. They are inside the double quote. So when you click run, it will simply display 5 plus 2, right? Because that's the purpose of the print. Whatever is inside the double quote, it will just be printed in the console. All right, so let's have more example. For example, we put this, and then we'll use another print, double quote, and I will do this one too. If I will click run, what do you think will be the output? Okay, let's do that. So that's it. We have on the first line, the first print, we have the one asterisk, and then we use the print function again. It will give us new line. So the next two stars or asterisk will be printed on the next line. So two prints, two lines. If we will add one more, say print, double quote, 1, 2, 3. So that will be three lines. All right. So that's about the print function for now. Now I will give a challenge to you so you can practice about the print function. Um, I want you to display something like this. So on the first line we have 1 star, and then second line 3 stars. Third line we have 5 stars. It's forming like a Christmas tree or a triangle. All right. So please pause the video and please try it. And if you got it, then congratulations. Okay, so how do we make an output like this? So first of all, ask yourself, how many print functions do you need for this output? If you say 3, that's correct. Of course, there are many more ways to solve this, but for now, we will use the 3 print functions. Now ask yourself, on the first line, what do you need to put inside the double quote? How about the second line? How about the third print? So let's do that. Okay, on the first print, what we need to put there is actually this star and then space, space. So you have two spaces there before you put the star. So let's do that. 1, 2. Then on the second print, you have one, one space, and then 3 stars. Okay, one space, 3 stars. And then on the third print function, you don't have a space at the beginning, but you have 5 stars. So 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Now you can see right away. Now let's see if this will display what we want. All right. So you see, we have here the output that we want. Okay. Okay. For more practice, here's another challenge that I. How about this one? You see, there's hello, and then it forms like letter V. How many print functions do you need for this? All right, I want you to pause the video and please try it with your Replit account. All right, so let's now solve this one. So over here, once again, if you look at the design, we have here one print function, second print function, and then third and fourth. So we have 4 print functions there. Let's do that now. So on the first print function, we have this word, and then we have spaces, and then we will repeat the word hello. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I counted a while ago, it's 7. Hopefully I'm correct. I'm going to erase this and just copy this one, paste it there. And then for this next line, you have 2 spaces here, and then 1, 2, 3 spaces in the middle. So 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3. Okay, something like this. Third line, we have 1, 2, 3. Let's see. 1, 2. Okay, over here, 1, 2, 3. And then line. Okay, let's try that. All right. So here's the answer for that. There are many ways to do that, but this is one of those. So we have four print functions, and then we wrote this. We wrote this text. We have spaces. So this is the answer for the challenge. Let's try one more challenge. Okay, can you do this one? Hello world, hello world, hello world. How many print functions do you need here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you can pause the video and please try it with your Python or Replit account. Okay, so let's now solve this. Let's go to our Replit. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this. Next line is world. Okay, let's copy paste this one. When I copy, I do Control C. When I paste, I do Control V on my Windows computer. So let's see. All right, I think we did it. All right, so that's all for the print function in this video. In the next video, we will learn more about the print function and what else we can do with it. So see you there.